Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by backing up the roster file. This protects you if something goes wrong. Once done, open the built-in roster editor or your trusted external tool. Make sure you select the correct team and player, then locate the number field, which accepts 1 or 2 digits. Enter the new number and press Apply to commit the change. You're now through the first critical step. Don't close anything yet, because the change isn't final until you save the roster file and continue to the next stage. Once you've changed one number, check for conflicts. Teams typically won't allow duplicates, and league rules may block certain digits. If you find a match, pick an alternate or swap numbers intentionally. This keeps roster integrity. Next, save the roster using export or write to profile so the game reads the update. If you're changing many players, use batch edit or templates to replicate settings quickly. Make sure to verify the save, completed with no error messages. Before moving, you finish by launching a short exhibition or practice mode to confirm the new numbers display on jerseys and menus. Once satisfied, sync cloud saves. Make sure local files are correct first to prevent remote overwrite. If you see reversion or missing changes, clear the game cache, disable automatic cloud sync, and reapply the edits locally. Then save and resync. A common troubleshooting tip: re-import the roster and test on a fresh profile to rule out corrupt save data. This usually fixes persistent reversion issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.